राज्यांत पडपी मोठ्या पावसान वचत थंय उदक तुंबला. रस्त्याचेर उदक सांचला. लोकांनी ह्या पावसान मातशें पाशियेंस काडचें म्हण आव्हान आमदार बाबुशान केलां. फुडलो मनसून म्हळ्यार हो प्रश्न आपूण तडीक लायतलो अशी माहिती आमदार बाबुशान दिल्या. आरटीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
जे फ्लडिंग जाता त्याच्या खातीर कितें प्लान?
We have come for inspection because of this flooding. All these low-lying areas, basically houses are getting flooded. See, there are different agencies who have been working here. One is JSITC, I don't know. One is WRT, and all the other I don't know. Smart City also is part of the agencies. So there is basically no coordination among these agencies. So now whatever the mess they have created, we have got to undo the mess. That's the reason I say, I have basically inherited a white elephant. So they have given it to me to basically scrub it and turn it into grey. So now every week we will be having a meeting now. Okay, more of this brainstorming this thing. So the problem now we can do nothing about this problem. What the people are facing. Now people have got to bear this monsoon at least with the problem. I am sorry that the people have got to bear with this problem. But I assure them all that we will have the full infrastructure in place by next month. They will never have such. They will not have to see such days what they have been seeing now.
So every monsoonang फ्लड पणजे फ्लड जाता फूल एवरी म्हणजे फाटली कितलीशीच वर्सां जाली. सो आतां तुमी MLA जाल्या, तुमी पावरान आसा, सो लोकांक तुमच्या बद्दल एक हें आसा की तुमी करूंक शकता म्हणून. सो
म्हाका करूंक शकता पण देखून लोकांनी निवडून हाडलेलो आहा आमकां. So that is important. So I am here to basically deliver. This is now just a teething period. Now I am the MLA. I think 2 months will just become now on 23rd or something like that. No, am I right? Yeah, June, July. 2.5 months, whatever it is. So now this monsoon we have got to bear this, and people also have got to bear with this issue. But I assure that next monsoon the people of Mala will not have this problem. Same problem we had in Miramar as well. I had gone there earlier. We need to basically have this storm drain. That is very important. And that also the big drain, not a small drains basically which get choked up. We are on the job. I assure you that within next year you will find this place totally different.